Good morning students. So in this class we are going to discuss about Newton's third law. So for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So that is Newton's third law. So action equal to minus reaction. So for example, so whenever object 1 exerts a force on object 2. So object 2 also exerts a force on 1 but in opposite direction. So these two forces lie along the line joining the 2. So for example, a ball hits the wall. So this is object 1, this is object 2. So force exerted by the ball on the wall. So that is force exerted by the object 1 on the object 2. At the same time, object 2 also exerts a force on 1. So that is force exerted by the ball on the wall, that is F12. Then force exerted by the wall on ball, that is F21. So both are in opposite direction because so it's from 0 to positive axis, that is ball on the wall, again ball on the ball, that is 0 to negative axis. So that is F1 to F21. So action equal to minus reaction. That is for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So action and reaction acts on the two different bodies. So this is action on the wall, then reaction on the ball. So it's not on the same object. Then Newton's third law is valid both inertial frame and non-inertial frame. So that is inertial, that is unaccelerated frame, non-inertial accelerated frame. Then so no single force or isolated force cannot exist. So if we are applying a force, there should be a reaction force exist. So we can't create a isolated force. So that is exist in nature. So its single force or isolated force cannot exist in nature. Then action and reaction are at the same instant. So the ball hits the wall, again ball bounce back, that is action and reaction at the same instant. So action force and reaction force are not the cause and effect forces. So for example, so I have seen one example, ball hits a wall. Another, so there is a nail and hammer. So we are using some force to fix the nail using a hammer. We are applying a force. So a force exerted by the hammer on the nail. At the same time, there is a reaction force exerted from the nail to hammer. That is action and reaction pair. Another example, we are walking. So we are force exerted by the feet, that is on the ground, and ground exerts a force, that is earth exerts a force on the feet. Then only we walk, that is feet and the ground. Force exerted by the earth, force exerted by the feet on the earth. At the same time, earth exerts a force on the feet, that is action and reaction pair. So many examples are there. So for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So it's a nice example, that is rocket propulsion. So that is force from the nozzle. So that is in downward direction, then rocket goes in upward direction. That is best application for Newton's third law. Then final one, then there are two spring balance are connected like that. So the free end, we are pulling our hands, using our hands we are pulling the spring balance. So if you see the spring balance readings, so reading 1 and 2 have the same because that is action, this is reaction. So for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So sees that 5 kg is we are forcing, that is 5 Newton force. So here also 5 Newton force. So in this class we have discussed Newton's third law, then one example